Look around your home for a technician-installed wall plate. It should look like this and be found in the central area of your home. Or find it near a network entry point such as a media panel, electrical panel, or junction box. Is your wall plate in a media panel like on the left? If so, this video will guide you through the self-installation process. If not, you will need to watch a different video guide. Look for the video titled, Installing a TELUS Network Access Hub. For an app-guided installation, download the TELUS Connect app. Then, log in with your TELUS credentials and select Set up a TELUS device. The app is required to complete this installation. In your self-install kit, you will find a TELUS Network Access Hub, a power cable, a short fiber patch cord, and a small, pluggable fiber terminal. Start with the pluggable fiber terminal to activate the service in your home. Using a TELUS Connect app, scan the barcode on the box to register the fiber terminal. Next, check your Network Access Hub wall plate for an existing fiber patch cable. If one is connected, remove it by gripping it on the hard plastic collar and pulling it out. If your cover is attached to the Network Access Hub, remove it by pulling it up from the back. Line up the clip on the right side of the Network Access Hub with the right side of the wall plate. Swing the unit towards the hole in the left side of the wall plate and snap it into place. Next, find the short fiber patch cord and remove the dust cap from one end. Also remove the dust cover on the pluggable fiber terminal. Then, align the patch cord with the fiber terminal and insert with a click. On the Network Access Hub, insert your fiber terminal with the barcode facing out. Push it in until it snaps into place. Remove the other dust cover from the short fiber patch cable and insert it into the green fiber coupler on the wall plate. Next, find the provided power cable and plug it into the power port of the Network Access Hub. Then run the power cable through the strain relief posts. Connect the power cable to an outlet. Wait up to 5 minutes for the light on the Network Access Hub to turn solid green. Once the light turns green, you can attach the cover to the Network Access Hub. In your media panel, look for a cable marked with a triangle. This line connects your Network Access Hub to a central Wi-Fi jack in your home. If the cable is Ethernet, connect it to the purple 10G port on your Network Access Hub. If it's coax, connect it to the coax port. Plug any other wired devices directly into the LAN ports on the Network Access Hub. That's it. Now, you're ready to install your TELUS Boost Wi-Fi 6, which is covered in another video.